Welcome to Cosmic Consultants. We are an HR, OT, and training firm. Not every HR is a recruiter. We do not work in recruitment space. We work on people to improve their productivity, thereby to increase profitability. We are national level awarded firm for innovative HR practices, best business consultant, HR leader of the year, leading HR practices award and many more. With our presence in Mumbai, Pune and Udaipur, we have been engaged with more than 500 organizations across India of various industries, sizes and shapes, building up their organization structure, process, system and workforce, supporting and aligning with organization goals. Our main focus is to provide practical and highly customized and implementable solutions through our consulting and organization development engagements. From past 10 years, we have helped organizations build capable workforce who can thereby build a competitive business through our unique offerings. We dedicatedly work in the space of HR outsourcing and consulting, HR compliances, payroll outsourcing, employee engagement activities, and corporate training and development. Organizations, people, system, and culture define its success. Hence, outsource your HR department to us, and we will work right from selecting the right candidate to performance management, leave management, defining roles and responsibilities, making HR policy system, and getting right culture in your organization. We will ensure that all the stakeholders with the organization are growing and developing. Are known to make complex competitive HR policies and systems simple and easy to implement. With our unique interactive infographic and video animated HR manuals to our unique use of gamification, discussions and more such methods of introducing and managing change, we have achieved 95% of retention of our esteemed clients. A glimpse of animated video HR manual, which can be completely customized and also be given a voice over. Compliance friendly organization indicates social security and hence attracts and retain talent. May it be PF, ESIC, PT, LWS, wage code or any other HR laws. We, with our 40 plus years experienced experts, have been helping organizations to get compliance friendly. Right from establishing the compliance for first time to doing compliance audit, handling monthly compliance, we are one-stop shop for all the compliance needs. With our in-house payroll software, we help organizations get their payroll calculation right. Outsource your payroll to us and get rid of all calculation, legal matters, grievance solving, and most important, save your cost. Engaged employees are productive employees. Employee engagement is not about celebrating only Holi or Diwali. We have marked our name in the field of employee engagement activities by having more than 90% of repeat customers. We stand to be 100% customized and we conduct fun activities, fun plus learning activities, and we have helped organizations also roll out their values and policies through employee engagement activities. We have conducted online and offline activities like word and musical tambola, Pantakshari, dance with mix of sports, non-gas cooking, rolled out some policy and value for a couple of organizations like Hindustan Unilever, Pratibhi Tech, etc. Training helps one to perform extraordinary even in ordinary circumstances. Right from school students, entrepreneurs, junior management to top management, Cosmic Consultants have trained more than 10,000 individuals in various topics of soft skills, behavioral skills, and HR functions. May it be classroom training or outbound training. We are known for creating an experiential learning environment. We had been training in English, Hindi, and Marathi language and can also arrange for regional language trainers. We have also conducted loads of digital training through interactive and experiential learning methods. Thank you for visiting us. Do connect with us for more details and book your free consultation session now.